Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today I am just going to tell you about a show I am going to in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned to find out more.
Biker Stuff's motorcycle channel.
On the weekend of the 24th and 25th of February 2024, the Bristol Classic Motorcycle Show is on at the Bath and West Showground. I went last year and made a short video of my trip. I will pop a link up here for you if you missed it. This year I will be there on the Sunday. If you see me, please come over and say hello, and selfies are always welcome. If you would like to appear on Biker Stuff 2 with me, just say and we can record a little chat together. I expect it will be a bit chilly as it is February, so bring a coat because I know I will be in mine. I will leave a link to the show's website in the description below so you can find all the information you need if you are interested in going. Hopefully, I will see you there. Thank you for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff. I hope you liked that. I have selected another video for you here, or you can look at an entire playlist. If you want to subscribe, click here.